Water is gushing out of the fountain. Water is gushing out of the fountain. The gate is latched. The gate is latched. The car is overloaded with bags. The car is overloaded with bags. Water is gushing out of the fountain. The gate is latched. The car is overloaded with bags.
Please select the one statement that best describes what you see in the picture.
A. The fountain has dried up. B. The fountain has little water. C. Water is gushing out of the fountain. C. Water is gushing out of the fountain. A. The gate is latched. B. The gate is open. C. The gate is being latched. A. The gate is latched. A. The bags are being loaded. B. The car is overloaded with bags. C. The car is carrying few bags. B. The car is overloaded with bags. Is water gushing out of the fountain? Yes. Is the gate open? No, it is latched. Is the car overloaded with bags? Yes.